Don't fence me.
Why did my back hurt now?
I'm scared.
This thing's done
Did I get
for.
hit bad?
No.
It's alright.
Somebody.
God damn. Same.
Shit! Dude, that's not my fucking wool pen, you dumbass.
Put it out.
Oh my god.
We need water.
You dumb
That's
son.
not on Bosco.
Did you record that?
Yeah, I'm gonna post it.
Bro, send me. Don't record me doing it to myself.
Bryce, what the fuck? Bryce, what the? Get away from me! He's like the Terminator or some shit. Oh shit! Stop, drop, and roll! You stupid motherfucker!
Okay, cool.
Oh shit! Look at close. It didn't show up on camera though.
You do it.
Bye!
Right, yo, me gas, new oil pan. Why didn't nobody save me while I was on fire?
Silly silly.
What the fuck are you going on about?
Chestnuts roasting by an open.
Sure. My boots, that's what's left.
How many minutes?
You sexy gooner. Oh, get it out. Get that shit out.
Okay, now this one's getting hot.
Whatever.
Oh, it does.
See if the gas does anything.
Did you put gas on?
Yeah.